Hi friends, how are things going? Are you preparing for examinations? Well, this is your Balasi Lakshmi from Zphs Rayakuduru. Keep learning, keep practicing the secret of success. Friends, our today's topic is will and shall. If you watch this video till the end, all our doubts will be cleared about will and shall. So don't skip in the middle, right? Let's get started. Come on.
Friends, we use will when we decide to do something at the time of speaking. Further, we can use will when we offer to do something, or when we agree to do something, or when we promise to do something, or when we ask somebody to do something.
Hi.
Hi.
How are the preparations going on for the party?
Going well.
Great. But what about Aparna? Where is she?
Oh no, I forgot. I'll phone her now.
Oh, I've left the door open. Oh my god, the cat might have drunk the milk. I'll go and shut it.
Ma'am, what a surprise. Please get in, ma'am. Please be seated, ma'am. Thank you so much for getting my home.
My pleasure.
What would you like to have, ma'am?
I will have some milk, please.
With pleasure. I will bring it at a snap of my finger.
Oh, thank you.
Hey Deepu, what happened?
Nothing of that sort.
Look Deepu, I'm your friend. I can understand. Let me know what happened.
Bala has lost her book,
So what?
but she is suspecting me. She has shouted at me in front of everyone.
Okay, nothing to worry. I will talk to her. Everything will be fine, okay?
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi, what's up?
Just the usual. You?
I'm doing well.
Well, but our friend Deep is not doing well.
Why?
It hurts her to think that you are suspecting her.
She sits next to me, that's why I'm.
Look Bala, I know what she is. She is very honest. She never resorts to such things. If you don't meet her now, she will not talk to you anymore.
Okay, where is she now?
She is in the library.
Let's go meet her.
Okay, it sounds good.
I'm sorry Deepu, I shouted at you. I didn't mean to hurt you. Everything happened just because of misunderstanding. Please forgive me.
No, you realize that's enough. No sorries and forgivings among friends.
Thank you so much. Hey Indra, are you coming with us?
No, I think I will stay here.
Okay, take care. Bye.
Bye. Hey, that bag looks heavy. I will help you with it.
Thank you, but I can manage.
Come on.
Hi,
Hi.
can you borrow me your book?
Sure, but can you give Ramya this book after your reading?
Certainly, I'll give it to her when I see her this afternoon.
Bala, thanks for letting me borrow your cycle.
You're welcome.
I will give it back to you on Monday, okay?
Okay, carry on.
Hi.
Hi.
Bala, I have a lot of money. Can you lend me some money?
How much?
500 rupees.
Okay, here it is.
Thank you, Bala.
It's my pleasure to help you.
I will pay you back on Saturday.
Okay, but you need not hungry. You can pay it back when things get settled.
Thank you so much. Hey, what the hell are you doing?
Oh shit.
Are you trying to steal something from my bag?
No, nothing of that sort.
Look, if I complain against you, you will be suspended.
Oh, I am sorry. I promise you that it will not be repeated again.
Good.
But please don't tell anyone.
Okay, I won't tell anyone what happened. I promise.
Thank you.
It's alright.
Excuse me, will you please talk slowly? I am trying to concentrate.
Oh, sorry. You please carry on. There will be no disturbance from our side.
Thank you.
It's alright.
Friends, don't use will to talk about what you have already decided or arranged to do something, even though it indicates future. So in such cases, we have to use present continuous tense. Hi.
Hi.
What are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going shopping.
Oh, it sounds good.
Will you accompany me?
Oh, it sounds great.
Friends, shall is used mostly in the questions with I and we. It's used to ask somebody's opinions, especially in offers or suggestions. Nowadays, it's not used very much at all. It's only used with I and we, but it can be used to give an order or instruction.
Hey, it's sultry. Shall I open the window?
Hey, I have to buy some books, but I have got no money. What shall I do?
Look, there are so many old books with you. They are not useful to you at all. If you sell them, you will get some money so that you can buy some books.
Cool. What an idea. Thank you.
It's alright.
Hey, it's getting late. Shall we go?
Just a minute, I'm not ready yet.
Okay, make it fast.
Hi.
Hi.
Where shall we go?
Let's go to the bookstore.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Hi.
Hi.
Where shall we go?
Let's go to the zoo.
Brilliant.
Alright, let's go.
Where shall we go?
Let's see a movie.
Nice idea.
Good, let's go. Dear students, all the books shall be kept closed while writing assignment. You shall not talk to others. You shall not resort to malpractice. And you shall remain in your seats until all the assignment books have been collected. Okay?
Friends, we hope all your doubts regarding village shell will be cleared after watching this video. And we promise you that we will come back with a striking topic. And don't forget to post your feedback in the comments. And you can post your comments to this number 9010181123 in case the comments are turned off. Have a great day, friends. Thank you. Bye bye.